Hello, I'm Randy Smith. I'm one of the owners and founders of VicinityBrew, a software application built specifically for the brewing industry. I want to talk a minute about the use of Excel for a small brewery, for the brewery operations. I think in the short run, it's a really great idea. Most people have Excel or Google Sheets or an application like that that gives you the ability to create a master formula and create your brew log, fermentation log, packaging log. It really is a great way to start when you're, say, under 500 barrels a year. At some point, however, Excel becomes more of an albatross where you can't get information out. You can't share information. When you do need to change something, you're going to multiple spreadsheets, and God forbid somebody breaks a spreadsheet and now the calculations are wrong. So I think in the short run, Excel makes a lot of sense. I think as you start to mature and you're starting to go from that kind of garage type or small tasting room into a more production brewery where you're actually doing some packaging and also maybe even servicing your tasting room. I think at that point you really need to be looking at inventory control, batch ticket processing, scheduling, and kind of turn this into a more database central application and still use Excel. If you were to look at VicinityBrew, you'll see that we leverage Excel for a lot of our analysis, dashboards and things like that, where we hook the Excel spreadsheet directly into our database. And so you're using Excel in the areas that I think Excel really does well, but you're not trying to use it as a database. So anyway, if there are any questions on it or you want some examples, let me know. Happy to help.